This video should help you put together the pattern pieces that I have included as PDFs for the scrub cap for long hair. And it also includes the headband piece, which is used for that and for the scrub cap that has no elastic. Now the cap side is in 2 pieces. What you want to do is there's some overlap, so you want to find a point that is present in both pieces and go outside of that point so that you have some overlap when you go to piece them together. So I'm going to choose the D on fold, and I'm going to make sure that I can see the D on both of them. And here's this one. I'm going to go past to the L maybe, and I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to use the grid that I included to help me line it up, like so. I'm gonna hold it there and get my tape and then join it together. And that's your pattern piece. I like to reinforce it by taping the other side as well, just to give it a more secure hold. You'll do the same thing with the cap top. Again, I'm gonna find a common point. In this case, I'll do the D again, and I'm going to make sure that I can see it on both pieces. And this one, I'll go past the D to the L, just so that I have a point to line them up. And I go overlap it. Take my tape. And secure it on the other side. Lastly, for the headband tie center, I'm going to go to the N on both sides and make sure that I have enough extra. Cut this right here. And go a little past here. And again, I'm going to overlap. And secure the other side. Here are the 3 pieces together.